Good morning. Vlogmas day 2. Work day. Yay, but working from home, so it's a good day. It's a good day. Gonna be a good day. I promise. Yes. I apologize for the chaos of day 1, but you know, that is the chaos of day 1. Hopefully, you got to skip through anything you didn't want to see. But I'm expecting a package from the RealReal, which is kind of exciting. It's got a couple of items I've been eyeing for quite some time, so that should get delivered today. And then we'll do advent calendars. Yeah, so hopefully this will be a rather quick work day. I will see you in a little while. I'm not going to bore you with work. Get through what I have to get through with work, and I'll come back and see you when I get my package. It might be something I have to try on, so we'll check that out, and hopefully they fit. Oh, that's why. But thankfully these have a return window, so that's why I'm pretty eager to get them, try them on, and decide if they go or stay. So I will be back shortly, and day 2. Okay, I got you guys up on my tripod up there that I usually film in the office for changing out my bag, but I just got the delivery for the RealReal, and we've got 2 lovely items in here. Let us see. One is in dust bag, and another is in an orange box. So let's do the orange box first, and then we'll do the other one. So I'll probably take you off of the tripod for that one. I'm sorry about the lighting, but the lighting is just kind of what it is. Okay, so Hermes square box, thin box. You probably, if you are familiar with them, know what this is. So this is a 90 centimeter scarf. And this is way out of my comfort zone. Pickles is playing in her toy box over there, so I apologize. This is Rouge Blanc Multicolor Hand-Rolled Scarf Fleur et Plume is what it says. So we will, and I'm wearing another wrap right now, so it's gonna look a little funky on me, but is I don't know why I'm feeling squicky about this. If you're familiar with Hermes scarves, and this may be ancient, but tell me if that's legit. I don't think this is legit. I feel like this is, I don't know, this is not feeling, I'm worried. So if you're an Hermes aficionado, and it's got that in the corner. Sorry, we've got someone probably delivering an Amazon package right now. Okay, and the other item I am less worried about is some Calibri flats. And they're in a 39, and that's my size, a 39, but I'm told that they run small. So I'm worried because I do have one foot that's slightly askew. They're a little bit, just from an injury I had. I have a little bit wider foot than on one. So I'm gonna try to get these on and see, and they're beautiful. They're exactly my style. So hopefully they will fit. Okay, success. So this is my messed up leg. It's messed up literally from toes to knee, basically. So way swollen, but so it's tight. Left leg is tight, but it's not unbearable. So definitely nice. So this one fits perfectly, the right side. Mama, can I model? I know you like to be in everything. Pickles. Come on, Mama doesn't want to listen. Anyway, Calibri flats in this gray and black tone. I love them. I got them for $270. They are practically brand new. Just a little bit of wear on the sole, and they fit fabulous. They fit fabulous. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So the 39 will work. I have about 5 other pairs on my wish list, and I need them all. I need them all. Yes, yes, yes. What time is it?
Is it Advent calendar time?
It's Is it time? Is it time? Ben, is it time? We got a new Apple TV. We made a mess of the house. Okay, let's start with the kids. Yeah, we'll do the kids first.
Okay. So let's start with
Day 2.
We'll do the opposite order this time. So number 2.
Cookies. It's time for cookies.
Okay, I need more leverage on this.
We're getting old. Need leverage.
Oh.
What's a red cookie tonight?
The way it's still frosted. Still got the icing. It's like one of those old mother's cookies. Okay, so it's a little bone. What do you think, Pickles?
Cookie. I think Dolly likes that one.
Oop. You like it?
She grabbed it. She's walking away with it. I'll go over there.
Bamboo's just licking it. Oh, Dolly is munching it.
Yeah, Pickles is just like, I don't know, maybe. And then knock it down. Have it fall in the cracks of the couch. Yeah, okay, thanks.
I'll salvage it.
Appreciate that. Okay.
You want it?
Well, let's get the bark box one and see
Okay.
if that's any good.
Bark box next. Okay. It's small. It's probably another snack.
I'm here with the assist.
So
That looks
this
pretty
one's-
big for a small
Okay, this
little
one's
door.
not frosted.
I'm a man.
It's about the size of that candy cane one that we had
Isn't
that
it,
last
I'm a
night.
man?
Yeah, it looks like it could be, or it could be a tree.
No, that's
It's
not a
kind of an
man.
ambiguous shape.
A tree would be green.
Yeah. I'm just going by shape.
Boo did not eat his
How
though.
about this one? Like this one any better?
Just put it down. I don't think he likes to take it from your hand. We'll see what happens.
How about it, doll?
Now it sniffs.
Yep. Well, the red cookie, her piece is still over there.
Yeah, they're not fans of the.
Oh, Bamboo just took the red cookie.
Okay. So go take the one with the frosting. Like plain one.
Okay, yeah, they're not really fans of this one.
Dolly ate it right up, so she was happy.
Yeah, it's looking like maybe we need to like stuff our own doggy advent calendar with treats that we know they like.
Yeah. So speaking of which, I'm gonna talk about that real quick. So I actually bought this at Trader Joe's a few weeks ago, and they are fond of this. So this is going to be my backup for next time. But anywho, let's go to tea and Saks, and then
All right.
we'll have chocolate. We have dessert.
Tonight's tea, or tomorrow morning's tea, I should say.
No tea.
2. There's number 2. Tonight's tea for tomorrow morning is English breakfast. Oh, good. I like English breakfast.
Perfect.
And it's 2 of them.
Perfect.
It's your basic strong black tea.
Hey, Mama, you already finished your cookie?
All right. Saks. That's this one.
Yep.
Okay.
They're trying to skew you with
There it
spelling it
is.
out. Those words, oh my God.
Words. It's Initio Narcotic Delight.
Ooh, it's a fragrance.
Don't call the DEA.
Eau de parfum. Okay.
Oh, that's like the strongest. Oh, no. Yeah. Parfum is the strongest.
Yeah.
Eau de parfum is like the next one down?
Yep.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, well, that's going to be
Well,
fun
lovely.
to try out.
There you go. Shall I leave this out here?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Please and thank you.
You're welcome,
All right.
dear.
It's time for your chocolate.
Mi cacao. Okay. ¿Dónde está número 2? Ah. Gracias, mi amor. My breath is behind foil. Another heart. Are they all hearts?
They're not good. Maybe that's the whole tray is hearts.
Whoops.
Oh my God, 5-second rules.
Which doesn't count if you have a 2-second dog like this one.
Mm-hmm. And dark chocolate, definitely.
There we go.
All right, need the Godiva extracted.
Yes. Okay.
The woofers.
Back up there.
2, right there. We're gonna get faster at this, man. We're getting slow.
Oh, here we go. It's
a white chocolate.
So this is
It's a white heart.
white chocolate praline heart. So last night's was the milk chocolate praline heart, and this is the white chocolate praline heart.
It was. I think I've found out now that I'm not a fan of praline.
Okay.
Praline and I are not friends. All right, so that was Vlogmas Day 2. Less chaotic, more luxury. At least there was that. And tomorrow, I believe we're going to go to a tree lighting. I think. Not 100% sure. There's 2 of them happening. It just depends if we get off, well, if he gets off work in time and gets back and we can make it all the way downtown or not. So that may or may not be part of the vlog. We will see you tomorrow. Have a good night.
Counting down. So in this Christmas time